I don't want to do more jobs. I don't want to do more jobs.
It's your family members.
I'm a family member too.
But you're their family member that can do jobs.
I don't want to do any more jobs. Why do I always have to do jobs? Done one job, went shopping. 100 quid. 100 squids.
Shopping is expensive.
And I gotta do jobs.
Food shopping is honestly the most dreaded thing ever because everything just costs a lot.
And because I was editing the last video for too long. It was. Ah, it's a demon!
You watch what you.
The pads in the shot. Get the pads in the shot. When you.
I'm so cold.
The light's out here.
I just need things wrong.
Don't get the pads in the shot. I'm going to get the pads in the shot, aren't I? Is that video done? Is that video done? Has it done? It has. Sorted. Oh, there's moments when you have so much to do and not enough time. Because I just edit. Oh, I just remembered. I got to download that other one, don't I? Kill me. Right. What was that one called? What was that one called? I can't even remember. Wait a minute. I can't remember the name.
That's what?
I can't spoil it in case some people watch this one but don't watch last week's, which will be 2 weeks' time, which is... I broke the fourth wall. Is that right? I reckon they can hear that. That one?
Yeah.
Right. But then I also need to download this one. Da-dee-da. Oh, that'll do it in 4K as well.
Yeah, it's in the fridge.
Was that one way shorter then? Because I swear that the other one was like 30 gigs. Next week's one, which is 2 weeks ago, when this one goes out. That's confusing. That's well confusing.
Well, it's because you had quite a few ready, didn't you?
Yeah, but I checked this, and that ain't there. Yeah, look. So, red off.
You did.
Barmouth's there. Code 50 unboxing. King Arthur's Labyrinth.
You haven't saved it under something else, have you?
No.
Is there?
What?
Is it there or not?
No.
So what have you done with it?
I didn't download it. I just edited it.
Oh.
So now I can download that one as well, and then when that one's downloaded, all the footage can go off the Goas Proas.
Goas Proas.
Yeah.
New fancy name for it.
Because when I was videoing, it said that there's no space left. On this. That's a thought, actually. I've never actually explained what my gear is, have I? Yeah, so if anyone cares, what phone is this? iPhone 15 Plus. Yeah. So the editing and videos are recorded on an iPhone 15 Plus, a GoPro 12 Black. Yeah, 12 Black, with an absolute ton of other stuff. I am in the process of building a new computer with the Razer something or other, another Razer something or other. MacBook, which I bought for the Scotland videos because they were massive. And Desmond the drone, which is a Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Ah, there it is. A Huntsman Elite keyboard. That is for the big mouse mat. What's that? Laptop stand, which is what the laptop is sat on. And some other stuff. Now let's go do some jobs. Don't want to do more jobs. They always make me do stuff. Aren't you? It's your fault.
It's not my fault.
It's not my fault. Okay, it's my fault. I said yeah. This is going to be the worst video ever.
I don't know.
Right, we have arrived for job number 1 of 3. Because I just kind of gave myself an extra job.
But that one potentially gives you a point out of it.
I should, just for you computer speakers. Don't do that to me, eBay.
It's like, no. Don't. Andy isn't sleeping. It's on me. How do I turn it?
No, stop it. This is how I knock families' doors.
Oh, idiot. Hat fell on the floor. It's open.
Bloody hell, it's dark in here.
Oh, just the person.
It's council, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got a question to ask you.
Stop.
One done. One done. Getting all the views. I'm always singing. I am not giving treats to the dog. Ever. Oh, I thought it was raining then. Oh. See you later. My car's locked.
Got to unlock it.
My car's locked. Where's my car key? Where's my car key? That one. One job down. In we go. Jadunk. Oh, right. On to number 2. Where are we?
Oswald Street.
On the 3 for job number 2. And we're stuck at traffic lights. I'm going to get out if you don't turn in green. I'm getting out.
They're not listening.
I'm leaving. Fine. Oh, it's changing. Let's go. Ooh. And I like the way how, when I said that I needed. See, and I like the way how I was hoping that it was going to rain before I got here to pressure wash it, to soak it a little bit. And it's been dry when it said that it was going to rain all day. And it's just started raining now that I've got here.
Typical.
Screw you, I'm going first. Got a dog to entertain. Doggy! Big Ron! Biggest dog in the world.
That's why the name is Big Ron.
Yeah. He's the biggest heart.
He's the biggest needy dog in the world.
Yeah. The biggest needer of fusses. Where can I park? Oh, we got a bird standoff. Right, shove it on here. Roddy dog. Oh, number 2. What a day to come pressure washing. Where is the pressure wash? Where is it?
You've got to put the hose together as well.
Eh?
You've got to put the hose together.
There you go. Got the ladder. Where's the hose?
Is that in there or is it in here?
It is the new hose, right? Yes, and so.
Well, if it needs putting together, then I'd say so.
Ooh. Nice connectors. Chuck that in there. Da-da-da-da-da. Need a kniffy of some description. Or some scissors. What did I forget to do yesterday?
Where? What did you forget to do?
What did I forget to do? What was I doing yesterday?
Your jobs.
Yeah. What was I doing whilst doing the jobs?
Filming.
Mm-hmm.
And you forgot.
What did I stop doing?
Filming.
Basically, yesterday was a disaster.
But technically you still need to go back to your nan's anyway, so yeah, you had to take lights down and
Did we film anything at Nan's? I haven't looked at the footage, so
not you moving plant, not you do the plant now.
while it was raining.
Yeah. I filmed you as you were doing, and then you started getting the hose pipe, and then I stopped filming as you were doing the hose pipe in the house.
So basically, I was supposed to go to my Nan's yesterday. I got flour in my eye. That's a separate story. As to how I have flour in my eye. Yeah. Yeah. I went to take the amazing Andy Mills his microphone last night and got back and was making tea, trying to work out what to make for tea. And then I remembered watching a funny video on YouTube once of a guy blowing into some flour and it blew up in his face, and suddenly decided, I wonder if that works, and it worked. Yeah.
That was the gentlest blow on that ever, wasn't it?
So I couldn't finish the jobs at Nan's because she didn't have an extension on the tap. So I couldn't attach the hose to the tap and then the other end of the hose to the pressure washer. But I did all the other little jobs, and then I didn't film anything on the way back, and then didn't film going to take Andy Mills' mic, which was job 3. So I failed. So I think this is just going to be loads of random footage for a week of just whatever we get up to. So basically, disaster of a week. Jobs that I wanted to get done didn't get done. Who are you? But yeah. So I thought, seeing as though there's some quite crap stuff going on here today, I'll show you what I do for a living. We get all the fun jobs today. B4. This is going to get very dusty. So I need, where have I seen them? I know they came in. What did I do with them? I hid them. Oh, I did not hide them. There. Oh. Protection. Done. Ready for ply.
Thank you.
You recognise my face? Oh, I'm done. No, but they done. Pop sounds in, and then full off. But before I go home, because my cars are right here, make quick pit stop off at Tesco's, and then go home.